American Language Course, Book 25, Quiz A, Part 1, Listening. Directions for items 1 through 14. Listen and select the best answer. Mark your answer sheet A, B, C, or D. Do not write on your test booklet. 1. That man created and developed many things. What did he do? 2. Mrs. Jones got a 6-month promotion. What kind of promotion did she get? 3. This company makes watches. What does the company do? 4. We have exhausted all our supplies. What has happened to the supplies? 5. The doors in that old house are broken. What happened to them? 6. Larry has no feeling in his arm. What's wrong with it? 7. Claudia glanced at the newspaper this morning. What did she do? 8. Rick was delayed on his way to work. What happened to him? 9. Jack travels to a lot of seaports. What does he see in these places? 10. That student is studying underwater life. What is she observing? 11. The people in this region are anti-industry. How do they feel? 12. The students have a test in algebra tomorrow. What kind of questions will be on the test? 13. What do you think of the new design for the engine? 14. How else can I get downtown? 'Directions for items 15 through 24. You will hear dialogues on the tape. Select the correct answer which completes the sentence. Mark your answer sheet A, B, C, or D. 15.
Why are you putting all those books on the table?
I'm getting ready to study in a few minutes. 16.
This water feels great.
Why don't we come back here tomorrow?
Sure, if it's not too crowded.
"17.
I didn't get anything right on the test this morning.
I didn't either. "18.
Has anyone measured this room?
I did. It's 10 feet long and 8 feet wide. "19.
Do your parents know that you are going to quit school?
Yes, but they don't approve of my decision. "20. How do you know that it is cold outside?
Because there is ice on the street.
"21.
The Navy has been looking for the missing boat for 3 days.
I think they plan to abandon the search tomorrow. "22.
Did you tell the manager about the missing equipment?
Yes, he said he would take care of it tomorrow. "23.
Are you going to the islands for your vacation?
Yes, we sail on Monday. "24.
Don't you think that the farms in this area are beautiful?
Yes, they are. But I think when industrial development arrives, it will bring problems. "25. Listen to an announcement and select the best answer to the question. Mark your answer sheet A, B, C, or D. Attention, please. Air South Flight 505 to Houston and Dallas will not be boarding through Gate 55. Passengers for Flight 505 should report to Gate 58. Passengers for Air South Flight 306 to New York and Boston will board through Gate 55.
you